back, guys. Got something in the mail. I got, it's called the Litz Lights Automotive. I'm not going to show my address, but it's basically, it's a color chasing. It's like LEDs that go in the footwell of the car. So I'm quite hyped about this. Just gonna open it up and stuff, and then show you everything that's in the kit. The kit's actually definitely affordable, because like I looked online, it's like over like 120 different types of like modes. And Litz Lights is a really good company. They make like custom headlights and all that for BRZs. I've seen like and then they have like a couple stuff for the STI, like the newer years, not the old ones. But in the kit comes I didn't get the Bluetooth because the Bluetooth was an additional like $50, and I didn't really feel like spending another $50. So I just got the controller. It comes with the controller, comes with the LEDs, comes with the harness. So you've got these two right here. These two connect into the LED. Got a fuse tap, so it goes into the fuse box in the interior. We've got a ground, and then what is this? Oh, this is like another fuse tap. You put a fuse in it so it doesn't cook up the inside of the car. Came with instructions, so we'll just go over real quick. I could open up the bag. That's cool. Give you a little diagram on it. Oh, something fell. Here's a little diagram about it. It shows you where the fuse box is located in the BRZ. Shows you the power and fuse box, like the fuse tap, ground, the controller. Tells you to like mount the LEDs and test new lights before installing. Came with cool stickers, so that'll just go to my collection of stickers. Came with an air freshener. That's cool. Can't go wrong with the car smelling nice. And then a little thank you card, and 10% off of if I use a discount code, which is pretty cool. So let's get on to it. I'll see you guys in the garage.
Alright guys, to get to this step right here, basically there's a bracket that goes over your latch for your hood. This bolt all the way in the back right here, it's a little push clip. I've got it somewhere on the floor, but it's a little push clip. Then you got these two green little clips right here. They usually get stuck in the body, so you can just pull it out. This fuse right here, it is I believe it's the audio system. It's a 15 amp fuse, so you can fuse tap right into that. So once you turn on the car, the lights turn on. And then this right here, if you guys are wondering, this wire right back here, is for my radar detector. I hardwired it into the car because I wanted to use my cigarette lighter for other purposes. And then you gotta ground the wire, so I grounded it right here. And then, so before you do anything, you don't want to mount everything to the car and then it not work. So put it all on the ground, set it up, make sure it's good, then mount it. So you turn on the car, right, and the lights turn on. So this is basically called the chasing mode. Like hit all the wires. So behind this panel, I have the passenger side LED running through underneath the dashboard. It runs up through here, and then we've got all the wires and everything tucked along the main harness. And then it's basically all zip ties up here. Remember, zip ties are honestly your best friend, because I wouldn't have gotten this done without zip ties. I'll probably zip tie this up more up here so it's out of the way, so I don't touch anything. Overall, the install will probably take you about an hour or so. But here it is when you turn it on. It's really nice, honestly. Let's turn off this light. so like, as you can see, it's quite nice. I'm not gonna lie about it. There's the white. We've got the red. The red looks really good. Green looks really good. And then you've got the blue, and then you got auto when it just changes. Lower down the speed a little bit. Now you got it going in and out. Like, how cool is that? Take an hour of your time for $110. Fast shipping. Litz Lights is definitely the way to go.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I explained in great detail about the whole project and how it was done. If you do have any more questions about the install or anything, I can show you pictures through my DMs or something. But I appreciate all the support I've gotten lately through this channel, and I definitely want to make more videos and make more videos for you guys to understand the concept and how to get things done and making your car whatever it wants to be, to showroom, to race mode, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter if you have a BRZ. I do multiple cars come in. I wish beforehand I created a YouTube account, because I have worked on multiple cars, and I would have had a shitload of content for you guys, but granted, didn't do that. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.